But there's a lack of people who are willing to take the weight of the world on their shoulders, which in my opinion is actually focusing on the elephant in the room, helping you make money. It is so much easier to just dodge it. Instead of helping you make money, I could just help you get more followers on TikTok. I could help you get more views on YouTube. I could help you get more fans on Facebook. I could help you get more likes on Instagram. I could help you get more leads in your inbox. These are all good things that people will pay for, but none of them equate to money. None of them equate to actually making money. Now, do some people make money? Of course. I didn't need you to hold my hand to make money. Nobody held my hand. Nobody gave me nothing. So yes, of course, you're always going to have some people that break through and figure it out on their own. But the people the industry is filled with a lot of people that will sell help, but not a lot of people that are willing to actually make their criteria of success literally the amount of money you make.